It's a perfect day for wing gliding. Let's see, I hope it stays that way. Toothless, is that launcher ready yet? We've got wing gliders coming. Oops, can't have a wing glider with no wings. But hope nothing else goes wrong. Here it goes. With these wings, you'll soar over the bird just like a dragon, but without the fishy action. No, Toothless, you have the wings, which is a terrible thing to forget. We'll save you. Stay calm, and we'll check out the sights on the way down. Hey, you found Bert's Chronicle nest. Yay! Well, there's nothing horribly terrifying about that. Let's just keep moving. Dang, I was kidding. We need to get out of here. And they're active. Okay, hang on.
Longer than normal.